this series, we're going to talk about flower gardening. So before we even start gardening, we need to figure out how to start gardening. And I always equate gardening like throwing a party. You can have a very formal affair and plant your flowers and your people and your friends in groups and lines with name tags and have very formal attire and very formal napkins. Or you can have a summer bash where you can just invite all the flowers and all your friends over and just kind of put them in groups and let them do their thing. It's not your responsibility for having them have a good time. You just kind of let them go. So pretty much to start is like starting on a party. You can hire a landscaper, or you can hire a friend, or you can just try to do it on your own. So throwing a party, you can decide if it's going to be formal or it's going to be very informal. So before you even get started, that's how you start. You kind of think about it. Just realize, am I going to put, what's my budget? Do I have time to hire a professional? So once we've decided whether we want a formal or informal garden, if we want a rose garden or a moon garden, then we decide what the purpose is. Are we going to use them for cut flowers, or we just want to enjoy them on the deck in the summer? On the next segment, we'll discuss how to determine what your flower garden purpose is.